In this video, I will provide an honest and unbiased review of the Milestone Credit Card. The Milestone Credit Card is a decent option for individuals with poor or no credit who are looking to rebuild their credit score. A major highlight is that it does not require a security deposit, which makes it stand out compared to many secured credit cards. Your payment history is reported to all three major credit card bureaus like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, helping you to build or improve your credit over time. It has some key benefits: no security deposit required to open the card, credit building potential with responsible use thanks to reporting to all three bureaus, easy application process with pre-qualification option that does not affect your credit score. It has high fees. The annual fees can reach up to $175 for the first year, dropping to $49 afterward. A monthly maintenance fee applies after the first year, which can add up quickly. It has high APR. Interest rates can go high as 35.9% APR, which is significantly higher than many alternatives. It has limited credit. The card caps your credit limit at $700 with no option for increases based on good payment history. There is no reward program for this card. Unlike other cards, there are no cashback, points, or reward offered with the Milestone credit card. It is suitable for those who can't afford a security deposit and are mainly focused on building or rebuilding credit. If you can manage upfront cost, you might want to explore other lower fee secured cards that offer better rates and more flexibility. So that's it for the review today. If this review helps, like, share, and subscribe.